Are you stuck with old DNS records breaking your site? Here's exactly how to delete them in Cloudflare. No more guessing. We'll walk through logging in, selecting your domain, and deleting records with the confirmation step. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Cloudflare account. Head over to cloudflare.com and log in with your email and password. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all the domains you manage. This is where everything starts. Now, from that dashboard, go ahead and click on the domain that has the DNS records you need to clean up. This will take you into that specific site's overview. Just one click and you're in. Once you're inside that domain's dashboard, look over to the left side panel. You'll see a bunch of menu options there. Go ahead and click on DNS. This opens up your DNS management area where all the magic happens. After you click DNS, you'll be taken to a new page. Right there in the middle, you'll see a section labeled Records. Click on that. This shows you every single DNS record currently set up for your domain. A and AAA records, CNAME records, MX records for email, everything. Now, find the specific record you want to get rid of. Maybe it's an old subdomain pointing to a server you no longer use, or maybe it's an incorrect mail record that's causing your email to bounce. Whatever it is, just click on the checkbox next to that record. You'll see a little blue check mark appear. And here's the really important part. Look up to the top right corner of that records table. You'll see a button that says Delete Record. Click on that. This is where Cloudflare makes sure you really want to do this. So a confirmation box will pop up. Inside that box, there's a text field where you need to type the word delete, all capital letters. This is Cloudflare's way of saying, are you absolutely sure? It's a safety step so you don't accidentally remove something critical. Once you've typed delete, the final delete button will light up. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, the record is gone. You'll see the page refresh and the record will disappear from your list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a DNS record from Cloudflare in under a minute. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.